欧盟27个领袖高峰会暂时达成协议，要提名现任执委会主席冯德莱恩，佮继续做5年。也新的欧洲理事会主席会交予葡萄牙前总理来接任。
这条欧盟27个领袖任命现任欧盟执委会主席冯德莱恩，搁一摆得到提名，促进第2个5年任期。冯德莱恩身躯边会出现2个新面孔，新一任欧洲理事会主席由葡萄牙前总理科斯塔担任，爱沙尼亚总理卡拉斯会担任欧盟外交和安全政策高级代表。现任欧洲理事会主席米歇尔表示，民主竞争和竞争力会是新任期的核心指标之一。
For me, this means that I now will seek confirmation from the European Parliament on my appointment after presenting my political guidelines for the next 5 years. So there's another step to do on the way forward.
We are also determined, to be much more efficient, much more effective in the field of the European defence, security, European defence. We want to develop flagship projects. We want to work together to identify how we can make sure that we dedicate more financial support in the field of defence.
欧盟3巨头拢属于中间亲欧派选区，冯德莱恩甲卡拉斯拢需要得到欧洲议会半数议员的同意才能上任。科斯塔照欧盟领袖同意对赛。 不过，欧盟内部议员出现声音，意大利总理梅诺尼不满指出，伊被排除伫一阵本高层执委的会议以外。匈牙利总理奥班阁直接投反对票。峰会期间，欧盟甲乌克兰签署一份10年安全协议。欧盟承诺会伫武器交付、军事训练等9个领域向乌克兰提供支持。
Of view of our partners, we stopped this Russian offensive, but this new Russian offensive proved that the existing pressure on Russia for the war is not enough.
另外，欧盟成员国伫多番甲爱沙尼亚同一天也分别甲乌克兰签署同款的安全协议，也有美英法德等真济西方国家之前也已经甲乌克兰签署同款的协议。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。